Other universes may host alien life. If aliens are chilling somewhere out there, they're probably nowhere nearby. New research simulating the effects of dark energy on star formation speculates that alien life may exist in another universe. Dark energy is a theoretical opposing force to gravity, thought to exist throughout the universe. Star formation, according to Durham cosmology professor Richard Bauer, is the battle between the attraction of gravity and repulsion of dark energy. Our universe is believed to host very little dark energy. Scientists speculate large amounts of the theoretical substance creates dead universes. Researchers simulated the impact of more dark energy and found it had only a modest impact on star and planet formation. In other words, more dark energy only slightly impacted new celestial bodies. This small amount of dark energy in our own universe, according to the researchers, may be due to an undiscovered law of nature. Currently, the multiverse theory is believed to explain the low amount of dark energy in our universe. Western Sydney University's Dr. Luke Barnes said the multiverse theory was, quote, thought to explain the observed value of dark energy as a lottery. Dr. Barnes goes on to say, quote, we have a lucky ticket and live in the universe that forms beautiful galaxies which permit life as we know it. Here's more alien stories.
Beam us up. Could this little triangle and a lightning bolt come from another world? Passed to YouTuber SecureTeam10, the image was taken by Instagram user Mrs. Lampshade. The triangle shape on the lightning bolt has UFO enthusiasts intrigued. The channel featured it in a video earlier this month that's since gone viral. Some commenters on the video believe the triangle is actually an alien craft, using the lightning as a power source. The location of the video, according to SecureTeam10, is in the Czech Republic, but a reading of the Instagram post in the clip says it's Croatia. We don't know what to make of that. Those countries are quite far apart. Perhaps said aliens were on a lightning bolt trip around Central Europe. SecureTeam10 claims that the image is similar to other evidence they've gathered. They reckon it may have something to do with the energy surrounding Earth. Other users pointed out it's part of the natural pattern lightning forms while striking the ground. Inquisitor writes that the SecureTeam10 YouTube channel is reportedly host to controversial posts concerning extraterrestrial beings.
Ex-NASA astronauts pass UFO lie detector test. 4 ex-NASA legends have passed lie detector tests examining historical accounts of their encounters with UFOs. According to British tabloid The Daily Star, the Institute of Bioacoustic Biology examined voice recordings of the men and their UFO encounters. Turns out, they were on the money. OG moonwalker Buzz Aldrin claims to have seen something during his trip to the moon. Reportedly, he described it as L-shaped and unidentified, but later he said he was convinced it was likely a panel from the rocket. Apollo 15 pilot Al Worden also believes he's seen aliens. Last year, he told Good Morning Britain he sees one every morning in the mirror. Worden believes humans are aliens from another world. Apparently, Edgar Mitchell and Gordon Cooper, both believers in UFOs, also passed the tests. The lie detection technology confirms only that those telling the stories believe what they say is true, not the accounts themselves. That doesn't mean there's no little green man. It just means actual evidence of one is yet to be found. Just like Bigfoot and Nessie.
Stargazers to attempt alien communication in 2018. A group of space-gazing dudes are gonna try and communicate with aliens, but some reckon it might doom us all. A group known as Messaging Extraterrestrial Intelligences, or METI, will in 2018 attempt to message alien life. According to CNET, most concur the message should consist of physics and math, as these are forms of knowledge aliens likely hold in common with humanity. However, many scientists, including Stephen Hawking, worry that such a message could put Earth in danger. Previous attempts to communicate with alien civilizations have included sending out the formula for alcohol and Craigslist advertisements. But if anything, let's hope they don't beam up a YouTube comments section. We'd be insta-vaporized for sure.
No ET in the clouds, just lots of bacteria. Maybe. A new study theorizes that the dark splotches on Venus may be a sign that there's life on the planet. Microbial life, that is.
Climate models suggest Venus had a habitable climate and liquid water for 2 billion years before a runaway greenhouse gas effect raised surface temperatures and turned the atmosphere toxic. New research now suggests that microorganisms may be living in the planet's lower cloud layer, which has a stable temperature and more Earth-like atmospheric pressure. Dark patches on Venus could be microbial blooms made of sulfuric acid and other light-absorbing particles, which can persist for days while changing shape and contrast. Certain bacteria on Earth can survive in high altitudes after being swept into the atmosphere. Others have also been known to thrive in extremely harsh environments. Thus far, the probes that have explored Venus have been incapable of distinguishing between organic and inorganic particles. So until a new contraption gets there, no one knows for sure if life does exist on the hottest planet in the solar system.
Alien hunters detect radio signals from distant galaxy. Scientists searching out alien life were presented with a new hope last month when their equipment picked this up. This is a radio burst from another galaxy. Writing the Astronomer's Telegram, scientists reported 15 fast radio bursts detected from a dwarf galaxy, some 3 billion light-years from our own. Scientists suggest the bursts may have come from a magnetar, which is a rotating neutron star with a strong magnetic field. Researchers also speculate that the bursts may originate from alien laser technology used to propel and power spacecraft, like wind powers sails on a ship. That theory is similar to Breakthrough Starshot, an initiative aimed at propelling nanocraft to Proxima Centauri with Earth-based lasers. Whatever they come from, researchers say that those signals began traveling from their galaxy over 10 billion years ago, when ours wasn't even 2 billion years old. Or in other words, it happened a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away.
Aliens think we're a zoo, apparently. A 1973 theory regarding contact with little green men is making headlines this week. MIT radio astronomer John Ball reckons that aliens aren't interested in Snapchatting with us because they don't want to hinder our evolution as a species, aka zoo theory. Basically, Ball reckons that all advanced alien civilizations abide by a space code whereby they don't intercede with Earth until we're developed enough, or never. Apparently, there are also intergalactic germaphobes. Interaction with us may end up with them getting a gnarly cosmic infection, and that runs contrary to everything Hollywood. So, screenwriters writing yet another factory blockbuster featuring evil aliens may want to think twice before stereotyping an entire alien species as the villain. #NotAllAliens.